Class, let us continue our Microsoft Word Some More Features Part 2. What can you see in this picture? What? Yes, I can see a dictionary. What do we do? Why do we use a dictionary? We use dictionary to look for the meanings, look for the spellings. Yes? Have you ever used dictionary? Yes, good. Let's see the learning objectives for today. Our learning objectives are to be able to apply spell check feature to your Word document, to practice using the Thesaurus of Microsoft Word, to follow the steps to set a password to a Word document. These three are our learning objectives for today. Let's do a recall. What did we study in our last class? We studied about a text box. We studied how to add a text box, how to insert a picture into a text box, how to format a text box, how to change the shape of the text box, how to change the color of the text box, add effects, yes, how to move the text box around your Word document, how to delete a text box, how to insert equation, and how to insert symbols and special characters. These all things we learned in our last class. Yes or no? Yes. So let's see what are we going to study more today. Vocabulary words which we are going to go through today is spell check. Spell check. It means that it will check the spellings of the document. Change case. You will come to know what is change case. Thesaurus. Word count. Okay. Now, what is a spell check? A very important feature of a word processor is to check the spelling and grammar of a document. By default, Microsoft Word checks spelling and grammar automatically as you type. How it checks? It uses zigzag red underlines if there is any spelling errors. If there are any spelling errors in your Word document, what it will do? It will underline with red zigzag. And in green, zigzag underline if there is any grammar mistakes. If there is any grammar mistakes, it will underline in green zigzag. Okay. And if there is any spelling errors, red zigzag line. If there is any grammar mistakes, green zigzag lines. How to correct them? Right click the underlined words to view the suggested corrections in spelling or grammar. As you can see in this picture, you can see that there is a red line under that word, and I have right click on that, and you can see that the correct spelling is there. Let me show you in my Microsoft Word. Okay, now let me just type for you something. Question the safety of similar nuclear power plants in the USA and Japan. Now, let me just make it big. Now, in this line, you can see that there is one underline zigzag with red. It means that there is a spelling mistake. What I will do, right click on it, and then it will show you the correct word. Click on that, it will replace with the correct word. Okay, this is a spell check. How it will do the spell check, correct? Okay, let us go back to our PowerPoint. Change case. What is change case now? There are times when you would like to change the case of a block of text from lowercase to uppercase or vice versa. How? Select the text, click on Home tab, click on Font Group, change case, and then click the capitalization option you want. As in this picture, you can see over here the window. Let me show you this in my Microsoft Word so that you can get a clear idea. Now, you can see that I have typed a sentence. Now, I want the whole sentence to be in capital letter. What you will do? You will type it again. Okay, this is only 2 lines. You can type it 1 line, you can type it again. But what if you have the whole book and you want to change the case of your handwriting? How you will do that? Select the text, home group, home tab. In my font group, this is my font group. You can see over here, change case. Click on this arrow. It will tell you sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. Let us select one and see what happens when I'll click on sentence case. Select it, go to this arrow. Now it's already in a sentence case. Sentence case means starting with the capital letter, ending with the full stop. Lowercase. What did you see? Everything is in lowercase. Yes? Now, next, uppercase. Everything in is uppercase. Next, capitalize each word. It means that each word, the first letter is in capital letter. Okay? Next, toggle case. Toggle case means one letter small, one letter capital, one letter small, one letter big. This is how are we going to change our change case in our font group. So I'll just click on sentence case. Now it's in our correct form of sentence case. USA, we can put it in back in proper way. USA. Okay, this is the way we change our case. Going back to our PowerPoint. Thesaurus. Microsoft Word has a thesaurus which lets you replace a word with its synonym. What is synonym? Synonym are words having similar meanings. The same word having same meanings. How you will do that? Select the word. On the Review tab, click Thesaurus. To use one of the words in the list of results, point to it and click Insert. In this window, you can see I have clicked the review, and I first select the word, go to review, and then you will find a word thesaurus. This word, I want some other word. Select the word, review tab, click on thesaurus. When you will click on thesaurus, it will show you different words with the same meanings. So what you can do is, you can choose any word from here and you can replace it with that word. Okay, this is the way to insert to use thesaurus in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's go back to our PowerPoint now. Word count. What is word count? To count the number of pages, words, characters, paragraphs and lines in a document, we use word count. If I have typed a paragraph and I need to know how many words or how many characters I have typed, how I will do it? Word count. How? Click Review tab, click on Word count. It will show you everything, all details of your paragraph. Let me show you in my Microsoft Word. Now, this is my sentence. Review tab, word count. Now, it will give me my detail that I have one page because it's only one page yet. 21 words, 93 characters with no space. Characters with spaces is 113, one paragraph and 2 lines. Okay, this way which we can do the word count. Let's go back to our PowerPoint now. Password. Now you have some type document and you want to put a password so that nobody can see that. How you will do it? Click on my File tab, Info, Protect Document. Click on Encrypt with Password. You can see here Encrypt with Passwords in the pop-up menu that appears. In the Encrypt Password document dialog box, type the password. Click OK. In the Confirm Password dialog box, retype the password and click OK. To save the password, click Save. Let me show you this. Now, I have typed this. I want to protect it. File, Info, Protect Document. When you'll click on this arrow, click on this Encrypt with Password. It will open this for you. You can type any password you want. Okay? Okay. It will ask you, re-enter your password. Okay. So you can see it has shown now a password is required to open this document. Clear, class? Okay, let's go back to our PowerPoint. Now, activity work. The group will type 3 sentences on their favorite country. They will do the spell check and of the typed Word document. You will write 3 sentences on your favorite country and then you will spell check your document. Then second activity is the group will type 3 sentences on their favorite country and they will change case of the Word document. Third activity is they will also write about their favorite country and they will apply the password to your Word document. Okay, then go to an online assignment in Classera and answers the question on the same topic, and still if you have any questions you can ask. Thank you so much.